Hi, I'm Oliver Tyre, consultant for the firm CCA, and today I'm going to talk to you about Loblaw Company Limited, which is a Canadian corporation based in GTA, more precisely in Brampton, who employ more than 200,000 employees across the country. Considered to be Canada's food and pharmacy leader, Loblaw uses different management concepts to run its business. In this video, we're going to observe how Loblaw uses the management practice related with the material covered in chapter 4 and 6 of the management book with two different topics: social responsibility and portfolio strategy. The main goal of this video is to show that the theory is the same as the reality. In the business world, it is important that business work with the communities to respect communities' resources. In this context of this project, Loblaw understands well the concept of social responsibility, which is a business obligation to pursue policies, make decisions, and take actions that benefit society. In Canada, Loblaw is involved in different initiatives in collaboration with different communities across the country. As you have seen in the management class, there are four different social responsibilities: economic responsibility, legal responsibility, ethical responsibility, and discretionary responsibility. Loblaw takes decisions based on these four social responsibilities. For the economic responsibility, Loblaw wants to sell safe and responsibly sourced product to its customer. For the legal responsibility, Loblaw assured to respect Canadian laws. For the ethical responsibility, Loblaw has put in place a code of conduct for its employees and for its suppliers, and has a CSR committee in the company to assure that the company respects society demands. For discretionary strategy, Loblaw have given perishable foods to meal recovery programs, have reduced plastic shopping bags, and have reduced electric consumption in its Loblaw and Shopper Drug Mart stores, and participate in different actions in the Canadian community, such as a donation of 64 millions in different charity and non-profit organizations. With all these initiatives, Loblaw Company Limited used the stakeholder model since that the corporation satisfies interests for multiple stakeholders without keeping in mind the profit perspective. In the business world, there are different strategies that corporations use to govern its company. Corporate level strategy is an example of type of strategies that can be used for corporations. Corporate level strategy is the overall organizational strategy that addresses the question: what business or businesses are we in, or should we be in? In corporate level strategy, there are two main approaches: portfolio strategy and grand strategy. In the case of Loblaw, they use the portfolio strategy, which is a strategy that minimizes risk by diversifying investment among various business or product lines. In fact, Loblaw Company Limited has different divisions and brands in different sectors of activity. With its six divisions, Loblaw have different brands in the grocery market sector, such as Loblaw's, Provigo, Atlantic Superstore, and few more. Different brands in the grocery discount sector, such as Maxi, Phil Brands, Superstore, and few more. A brand in the pharmacy sector with Shoppers Drug Mart. Different brands in emerging businesses such as Liquid Store and Wholesale Club, and few more. A brand in the financial sector with PC Financial, and a brand in the clothing sector with Joe Fresh. With its three product brands, Loblaw has two food brands with the President Choice and No Name, and a drug brand with Life brand. With all these different divisions and brands in several sectors of activity, Loblaw minimizes risk of failing since that its operations are spreading in different operations operation. So if there's a weak economy period in a particular sector in which Loblaw has operation in, there will be less economic impact on their profit since they have other operation in other sectors of activity. For the Boston Group consulting matrix that you can see on your screen, I have identified in which each of Loblaw's division belongs to. For the stars, we have Shopper Drug Mart, Grocery Market, and Grocery Discount. In the question mark, we have the PC Financial. For the dogs, we have Joe Fresh and Emerging Businesses. In conclusion, with this video, we had the opportunity to observe how a large Canadian corporation manages its operation based on contents covered in class, with social responsibilities and portfolio strategy. With all this information, I can conclude that the theory covered in management class at Cégep Champlain St. Lawrence and the management book are the same as the reality of Loblaw's limited company management process. Thank you for your attention.